Today I want to share with you this amazing portrait I've finished, and this work actually took me time to create. Then, whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced artist, with these little tips can help you elevate and take your art to the next level. How I do create my amazing work, being pastel, charcoal pencil, and oil on canvas. So if it's your first time coming across it, subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing and tutorial how to perfect your drawing and painting. You understand? So stay tuned, watch this video till the end. At the end, maybe you able to learn or pick up something to improve your drawing skills and painting, being pastel or charcoal portrait. So creating amazing artwork like this, actually it's really fun to me. Why creating amazing artwork like this, actually I took my time to create amazing artwork like that. To be honest with you, I wasn't perfect. Like, let me say, at the beginning I was not like this. That's just the plain truth. What am I trying to say? I'm telling you that is watching this video, being an experienced artist or a beginner. But at the beginning I wasn't like this. But it's all about my mindset. This is what I wanted to do, and I go for it. I keep practicing, and doing it all the time. I make it to become a habit. So, like I said, I'm just here to encourage you, you know spark your brain. Like, back in the days, normally our parents don't normally encourage us in this art of a thing. But today I can see a lot of people are making a living up to this art stuff. I can actually testify for myself. I know how much I make through this my art. But I discovered this talent when I was in primary school. So the more I was running away from it, the more I was getting closer to it. So I'm just like, there's just one teacher that encouraged me. I become who I am today. So me too, I'm encouraging you today to become that professional artist in future. Being an experienced artist, or you are just a beginner. So if you watch this video up till now, give me a comment, tell me what you think of it, and I would really appreciate. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. You just need to know, you have to accept the fact to know what you want. It's not about what people think. In future, everybody will understand. People count results, they don't count failure. And I'm here to show you my result today. These are my amazing artwork. Are they not beautiful? This is what I'm earning a living. So you too can do it. I hope you learned something today. See you in my next video. Thank you.